Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to answer a question I get a lot, and that's, is blogging dead? Should I even be blogging in 2019? The answer to this question and more in today's video. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Louise of solopreneursidekick.com. I put out new videos every single week, all to help you create a successful online business. So if you are in the process of doing that or dreaming of doing it, definitely hit subscribe down below and hit that little bell icon as well so you get notified every time I post a new video. All right, so let's dive into the big question, is blogging dead? Personally, I think hell no. I think there are so many reasons to be blogging in your business, and I'm going to talk about that and also talk about the long-term benefits of creating a blog. So I actually think that there is a huge opportunity here. As more people move away from blogging, you can be there and take advantage of this fantastic marketing strategy. Okay, so let's go over why I think it's a good idea. First, it is going to build up your expert status in your industry, and it's going to, simply by having that content on your website, allow you to convert more clients. The amount of times that I've gone to hire someone and I've first checked out their blog to make sure that they knew what they were talking about and that I liked their perspective is huge. It happened every single time. So for that reason, I highly recommend that you blog, and I do think it is going to make the task of converting website visitors into clients a lot easier for you. The next reason that blogging is a good idea, and certainly not dead, is that if you learn the right SEO strategies, so by SEO, I mean search engine optimization, then that means you can drive a lot of free traffic to your website through your blog. It is a lot easier to rank for blog post topics than it is for just maybe what your business is about. So for this reason, I recommend it to all my students inside Website That Wows, and I think you will be really happy if you do choose to invest in the strategy of blogging. So rather than having to pay for every single person who comes to your website, you're going to have this free organic source of traffic that is coming to you on a consistent basis because you put in the effort of creating that initial blog post. So I have to say, so many of my entrepreneur friends are so happy that they decided to blog because now, even years later, they are still benefiting from those posts. So it's mostly about bringing people in. And once you create that content, there are a few different ways that you can do that. So you can use the right SEO strategies that I talked about, and you can also create pins for those blog posts and share this on Pinterest. And then you have a lot of different blog posts and pins circulating there on Pinterest and bringing people back to your website. So overall, I would say it's a very foundational strategy. Not only are you giving people a reason to find your website and you're bringing in free organic traffic on a consistent basis, but you're also demonstrating your expertise. So I think because of those benefits, I would definitely recommend that you still think about blogging on your website. And I would also say for this that it doesn't have to be just written content. If you are more comfortable with video or audio, you can absolutely use that. You would just think of it as a regular blog post. So for each piece of content that you create, you are going to create an individual blog post and pin that you can share on Pinterest for each of those posts and try to rank that content as well. So even though it's video or audio, that can still be picked up and rank. So don't feel as though you can only do written blog posts. You can also do a mixture of a few different types of content. But overall, I would say the main reason I like this better than something like Instagram is because of the longevity. So often you put a lot of effort into creating a really great Instagram post, but it just kind of disappears down your feed. If you invest your time in blogging as a strategy, then it's something that lives on Google, that lives on Pinterest, and can give you traffic for a long time after. So that is my defense of blogging. Now I would love to hear from you. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is blogging dead? Are you going to give it a try? Tell me your thoughts. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't have a blog yet or website and you want to create it, then I have a ton more resources for you, starting with a free guide, which I will leave a link to in the comments below and up here somewhere on my screen. Don't worry about the technical side of doing that. I got you covered. I got some ways for making this super simple. All right, that's it for me and this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video.